All right, guys, I'm back. The paint showed up in the mail. It's Tuesday. So what did I think I ordered that Sunday. So actually got here pretty quick. It was coming from Pennsylvania, so super close. Also, I would like to thank Jay yet again for hooking me up. He brought me a propane tank topped off so that I can run the heater in here and be like a tiny bit more comfortable, because when I came in here this morning it was like 33 degrees in here, and I've had this guy going and the electric heater going, just trying to warm up the engine bay area. But now it's 40, 45-ish, something like that. So thanks, bro. I really appreciate you being there for me. I'm gonna let it warm up a little bit in here. I got the paint I got it soaking in some warm water just to warm the paint up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying. I did cut a bit of this bracket. So this was here. I don't need this portion at all for anything. It's so just to make working on the car easier. I got rid of it, and yeah, so this thing's out of here. We don't need that. So now I have like some fresh primer to go over. You can see where I cut it off, but I'm just gonna paint right over this. I'm not really too concerned about it. I think it's gonna come out great. Anyway, less talk, more action. Let's get it done. All right, got you guys all set up. I'm gonna throw a mask on and I'm gonna start laying some paint down. Okay, I got one can down. I got one can of color left. It's looking a lot better. Still some areas in here that need more paint, but I'm not super concerned with that. Basically, you're going to see this, and you're going to see this. You're not going to see any of that, really. So I'm putting most of my effort into getting the paint better in this area, and this area. And then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bang out this other can. Probably try and break it into 2 coats. Really gonna focus here, and then we'll see what we have when we're done. Let me set you guys back up. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry for about a good 15 minutes, and I got a little bit of paint left in the can, and I'll go through and we'll pick a spot to concentrate with the rest of the paint, but I think that's gonna be enough. Alright guys, this is pretty much gonna be the final product here. There's some areas down in there that could use some more paint, down in here. overall not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down some clear coat. I have 5 cans of this clear coat, so I'm just gonna throw it all on, and then we can keep moving forward. All right, I'm gonna set this down and get to work. There's the first coat of clear on there. It looks pretty good. I kind of goofed up here and I hit the actual little fuzzy thing on the camera here, brushed it on the paint there, which is super annoying. So I think that's just going to be part of the car forever, but I think it looks pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'm going to let this coat sit for about 10-15 minutes. I'm going to hit it with another coat. Alright guys, not really happy with the strut tower here, but I wanted to put the BMW color sticker back on because it's the color's Hellrot, BMW Hellrot, but it's really not turning out that great, and if I peel it off now, it's just gonna have a big blemish here, so I'm leaving it. I got the heater blowing some hot air on it so it can cure, and then I'm going to clear over it, and this engine bay is going to be what it is. It's not going to be anything professional, but neither is anything else on this car, so might as well just keep rolling with that theme. So anyway, I'm going to let this sticker cure into place, and then I'm going to keep going with clear. Okay, I got 3 coats of clear on the engine bay now, and it's looking pretty good. I did mess up over here, but I'm not too worried about that right now. But it looks pretty good. Just going to give it some time to cure up a little bit, and then I'm going to throw 2 more coats of clear on it, and then that's going to be it for tonight. And yeah, it's coming along really good. Super happy with it. I'm by no means a body guy or a painter or anything like that. Most of my cars have always had horrible paint, so this is going to be good enough for me. Anyway, I'll check back with you guys when I'm done all the clear. All right, guys, that's going to be it for the BMW today. The engine bay's painted. It's looking super good. I'm a huge fan of how it's turning out. I've never built a car nice like this, so not that this is necessarily the top-notch build, but I usually slap stuff together and get to the track with it. This is, I'm sort of taking my time. I did want to mention the paint that I'm using. So this is Color Right BMW 314. What I could find online, this was the right color. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks really good. And then these are the clear coat that I got, and I ended up using, what I do, 5 cans of the red, and then I also did 5 cans of clear. And I could have used 1 more can of red, to be honest, but the areas that didn't get full coverage are areas that I'm covering anyway. The next video is going to be unmasking this and really starting to prep with some heat shielding and that kind of stuff along the firewall, so we can get this ready to drop the engine in. So until next time, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. Make sure you hit the like button, drop me a comment, say what's up to me, let me know you're watching, and hope you have a great day. See you later.